Think about a Zostera seed. It breaks off on Ukraine's Odessa coasts. Washed away by currents, it passes through the Romanian waters, floats around in Bulgaria for some time, and finally it takes root on Turkey's Ionada coasts. This seed does not bear a passport, it does not get a visa, it does not pass through customs, because the sea knows no boundaries, neither do the seagrasses. The Black Sea is a common treasure of 6 countries thanks to its surface area of 436 square kilometers. Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia and Georgia. The health of the Black Sea is the health of us all. Seagrasses which die on the coast of a country affect the ecosystem of the other countries as well. The Black Sea has a specific current system. Surface waters turn around in the anti-clockwise direction. That means that the pollution coming from Moldova's River Prut affect the Ukrainian coasts. Pieces breaking off in Ukraine reach the coasts of Turkey. Carbon releases in Turkey accumulates in the waters of Bulgaria. Everything is interconnected in our common sea: fish, currents, food pollution, and of course the seagrasses. Project Carbon Binding Blue Black Sea is so valuable just for this reason. 4 countries coming together for the seagrasses under the leadership of the Tekirdağ Namık Kemal University for the first time. Burgas Regional Tourism Association of Bulgaria expands awareness of the tourism sector. Ukraine National Sciences Academy Marine Biology Institute provides scientific data. Moldova's Ecological Counseling Center Cahul adds the civil society perspective. For the first time, simultaneous seagrass mapping takes place in 4 different spots of the Black Sea: Köyköy Ionada, Gulf of Burgas, Odessa Crimean coasts, and Lower Prut coastal strip. A 30-hour common curriculum is being prepared. A 60-page guidebook in Turkish, Bulgarian, Ukrainian, Moldovan, and English will be distributed with the same content in all countries. Consider, a Bulgarian EIA specialist and his Turkish colleague will learn the same knowledge. A Ukrainian government executive and a Moldovan NGO representative will speak the same language, the language of the seagrasses. The Posidonia network has been successfully working in the Mediterranean for 15 years. Spain, France, Italy, Greece. 8 countries have developed common standards for Posidonia oceanica. The result? The loss of grass is reduced by 60% in the past 5 years. A similar cooperation has ensured the seagrasses of 100,000 hectares of the Baltic Sea. 9 countries have determined common EIA criteria. Why does this not occur in the Black Sea? Here are the proposed common standards. Mandatory impact assessment for those projects to be made on the boundary of 100 meters of seagrass. The use of grass maps in all EIA reports. The inclusion of seagrasses into the carbon footprint calculations. Preferential protection of the seagrasses in the analysis of alternative locations. Common database, common monitoring system, common training. Everything is cost effective, but the benefits are much greater. 50 million tourists are hosted in the Black Sea per year. Clean beaches, crystal clear waters, rich marine life, all are dependent on the seagrasses. Common protection means common profit. The fishing sector provides employment for 500,000 people in 4 countries. If the seagrasses are protected, fish stocks increase and income increases. Our goal for the future is clear. The Black Sea Grasses Protection Network should be established. Common monitoring, common standards, common protection. Each country should update its own EIA regulations, but satisfy common minimum standards. Just like the EU Water Framework Directive, the Black Sea Seagrass Directive should be formed. Here is our clear message. Scientists, governmental bodies, NGOs, the private sector. We all have to stay focused on the same goal. We have to harmonise our EIA regulations. We have to determine common standards. Seagrasses of the Black Sea are the common heritage of us all. To protect this heritage and hand it down to future generations is our common responsibility. A country's success is the success of us all, and the loss of a country is the loss of us all. The sea knows no bounds. Our protection efforts should not know them as well. For the Black Sea, for the seagrasses, For our future, it is time to take action all together.